What are we here for? Now listen. Listen. Some people have made sacrifice with your blood, the blood of your relations. They have stolen your resources. But now we are saying we are taking back our inheritance. We are taking back our inheritance. Now listen. How many of you are ready to stay under the sun to recover your place? Okay, let me ask you. People have asked me this question. Why, as a preacher, what should I be doing on the campaign ground? What should I be doing on the campaign ground? Well, listen, I am here because the gospel of light must dispel darkness. So, we want freedom, and I want you to shout it, freedom! 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 Now listen, I want you to make sure this week you go and get your PVC. Get your PVC. Is that right? Get your PVC that is lying in INEC offices. Lastly, the middle belt and the northern Nigeria is going to stand with Mr. Peter Obi. So, I want you to make up your mind that you will not sell your conscience. Is that right? Is that right? Now let me welcome the president of the Middle Belt Forum, Dr. Pampu, as he brings Mr. Peter Obi. This is the Middle